How to record your screen on your mobile device. So first you will need to open up the drop menu from the top, and then if you see a screen recorder app right here, you can click on it to use it. Otherwise you can expand this and add the screen recorder widget. So if you scroll down, you should be able to see the screen recorder right here, which has a camera icon. Click on the plus icon to add it, and then confirm the change. Now you should be able to see the camera icon here. If you click on it, it should open up the screen recorder. You can then click on this widget, hold it down, and move it on your screen wherever you want this to be. For example, you can place it here. Now if you hit the red button right here, it should start recording. And as you can see, there is a timer and a red icon flashing, which means it's currently recording your screen. And then you can basically use your phone to record whatever you want to record. And once you're done, you can simply hit the stop button right here to stop recording. And it should tell you that the recorded video have been saved. You can tap on it to open the recorded video. You can also click on the folder icon next to the record button to open where the records have been saved, or the directory. And then you can open the settings by clicking on the settings icon next to it. And from here you can configure the resolution, the video quality, the orientation, the sound sources, the frame rate as well, and whether you want to record lock screen, and whether you want to show touch gestures and button taps as well on the screen while recording. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.